Ghamidi Center News Bulletin.
Ghamidi Center's renowned Sunday school program has officially opened its enrollment for the upcoming session.
Classes are quickly getting filled, and spaces are limited. So far, 268 students have registered.
We urge you to act swiftly to secure your spot and ensure your child's place in this enriching educational journey.
Classes will start from August 19, 2023.
Register now by visiting the official website at ghamidi.org/education/Sunday School.
Dr. Khalid Zahir's visit to Dallas, USA.
Dr. Khalid Zahir, a longtime student of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi and a renowned religious scholar, visited Dallas last month at the invitation of the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning. His visit was a step in the direction of organizing religious education and training for a group of young people. These young people spent nearly 10 days with Dr. Zahir, during which time they asked him many scholarly questions, conversed about pressing moral issues, and sought advice on personal matters. The purpose of this entire exercise was for the youth to spend time in a friendly environment with religious scholars, learning from them spiritual knowledge, practical matters, and ethical conduct. The experience proved to be beneficial for all, and a need was felt to establish such programs on a regular basis.
Representation of Ghamidi Center at the annual convention of APPNA.
Last month, in Dallas, the convention of the Association of the Physicians of North America, APPNA, was held. The event saw the participation of thousands of doctors from all over the world. On this occasion, scholars from the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning were also invited. Javed Ahmed Ghamidi and Muhammad Hassan Ilyas participated in the event. A large number of people took part in the 2-hour session. The questions from the participants reflected the desire within modern minds to know about religion. It also indicated how their confidence in their religion is increasing due to the manner in which Ustaz presents the message of the religion. A Ghamidi Center stall was also set up at the convention.
People expressed a keen interest in the books that were displayed therein. Visit of Western Sydney University, Australia's faculty to Ghamidi Center.
A delegation of the faculty from the Islamic Studies Department of Western Sydney University, Australia, met with Ghamidi and Hassan Ilyas.
They sought guidance on various research projects related to Islamic finance. They also expressed their desire of engaging in further research on Ghamidi's economic thought.
Completion of the topic What is Sunnah? And the beginning of What is Hadith, in the response to 23 objections series. The topic What is Sunnah? Was concluded last month in Ghamidi Center's flagship video series addressing 23 objections to the thought of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. This series, which had been ongoing for several months, has been completed in 19 sessions. After this, one episode was aired which was an addendum to the topic Descent of Messiah, a series that was broadcast many months ago. Thereafter, the next topic entitled What is Hadith? Began. Like Sunnah, the subject of Hadith is also one of those important and representative topics to which the Farati school has made contributions.
Difficult questions, a conversation between Hassan Ilyas and Dr. Taimur.
Dr. Taimur, a renowned public intellectual from Pakistan and a professor at Lahore University of Management Sciences, conducted an in-depth question and answer session under the title Difficult Questions with Hassan Ilyas.
The session was recorded online via Zoom.
In it, the two scholars discussed sensitive and complex questions related to religion, science, atheism, politics, the economy, and society. When the program was released on YouTube, it was widely praised. It can be viewed on both the GCIL and Dr. Taimur's YouTube channels.
Weekly Quran and Hadith lessons.
The live series of lessons on the Quran and Hadith by Javed Ahmed Ghamidi continues under the aegis of GCIL. In the month of July, 8 sessions were conducted. Ghamidi taught verses 1 to 36 of the 16th Surah, Surah Al-Nahl. In the Hadith lesson, various narrations related to the actions which lead to hell were explained.
Recording of the program Ilmu Hikmat for Dunya News.
Ilmu Hikmat or Knowledge and Wisdom with Ghamidi is a popular program of Dunya News channel that has been broadcasting from Pakistan for several years now. It is recorded from Ghamidi Center's studio in Dallas, Texas, and aired weekly. Hassan Ilyas hosts the program. In July, 4 episodes were recorded and broadcast on Dunya News, which were focused on some key questions about the Islamic State. The last session of the month discussed doubts about religion in the modern mind. How shall youth achieve success? The young generation is our future. Along with religious and moral education, it needs social education as well. Keeping this in mind, the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning occasionally invites scholars for conversations with our youth. A few months ago, GCIL hosted Syed Manzur from Malaysia and Dr. Adnan Zulfikar from Philadelphia, USA. Two representatives of our younger generation, Muhammad Bashar Ilyas and Sharik, but discussed various topics over several sessions with them. Continuing this series of conversations, last month, sessions were held with Yusuf Ghani, with Muhammad Bashar Ilyas as host. The central aim was to discuss those facets of life where the youth often faces challenges in decision-making, one of which being marriage and choosing one's life partner. On this topic, Yusuf Ghani shared insights based on his knowledge and experience. The first part of these discussions has been published. An online meeting of Ghamidi with Al-Mawrid Canada. Members and associates of Al-Mawrid Canada arranged for a meeting with Ghamidi. During this meeting, they sought guidance on various administrative issues. They also discussed the particular nature of challenges encountered while calling people toward the religion in the Canadian context and exchanged views on some practical matters. Ghamidi attentively listened to their thoughts and shared his views and advice with them. During this event, some academic and intellectual questions were also discussed. Can we logically prove the existence of God? 3 programs were recorded and broadcast under this title. In them, Ahsan Ilyas had conversations with Ghamidi on those questions that arise in the context of philosophy and science, which create confusion regarding the existence of the Almighty among the modern literate public. Series of discussions on Nasikh o Mansukh. In the history of our traditional Quranic sciences, the debate over Nasikh o Mansukh, abrogation in the Quran, holds a special significance. Esteemed scholars of the Muslim Ummah have written about it. Imam Shah Waliullah Dehalvi, from the Indian subcontinent, has extensively discussed this topic in his book Al-Faz Al-Kabir. There was a need felt to understand Ghamdi's position on this topic in detail. Therefore, Ahsan Ilyas conducted a 7-part series of conversations with him and recorded his views on all aspects of the topic. This recording is available on our YouTube channel. Ahsan Ilyas's interview with Voice of America. Voice of America is an official news network in the United States. Its broadcasts are published in nearly 30 languages worldwide. It interviewed Ahsan Ilyas for one of its Urdu broadcasts. The topic of the interview was the discrimination against and persecution of certain religious groups in Pakistan. Ahsan Ilyas deemed these actions as being contrary to Islam. The interview was conducted by Miss Iram Abbasi. Poems of Khyal-o-Kama read out by Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. Khyal-o-Kama is a collection of poems by Javed Ahmed Ghamidi. Various people have read its poems and ghazal in their unique styles. At Ahsan Ilyas's request, Ghamidi read out his poetry in his own voice. As of now, 5 of the poems from the collection Khyal-o-Kama have been published. The recording took place in the newly constructed studio of the Ghamidi Center. Under the supervision of Ahsan Ilyas, the institution's audio-video department has been diligently preparing it. Interview of Ahsan Ilyas on the necessity and importance of the Urdu language. A journalist from Voice of America, Aftab Borka, recorded a detailed interview with Ahsan Ilyas. The interview focused on the necessity and importance of the Urdu language. Ilyas described the decline of the Urdu language as a national calamity. According to him, the continuation of our religious traditions and cultural values is predicated on the revival of the Urdu language. In the interview, he not only highlighted the significance of the Urdu language but also spoke about the institutions that are working for its promotion among children. The Child's Prayer. This is a beautiful poem by Ghamidi. Al-Mawrid USA and Al-Mawrid Australia have jointly produced this poem in a modern style. The poem seeks to inculcate religious and moral education among children. Its production has been made attractive using beautiful visuals, and as a result, it has become quite popular among children. Issuing fatwas in response to people's queries. People often contact the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning seeking answers to certain questions relating to the Sharia.
They often need opinions on marriage and divorce, inheritance, and various other economic and social aspects of the religion.
Last month, 13 fatwas of this nature were issued. They were issued under the guidance of Javed Ahmed Ghamidi by Hassan Ilyas.